In this video, I'm going to show you how to feather edges in Photopea. Feathering edges is a useful technique when you want to create a soft transition around a selected area of your image. This is different from adding a vignette effect, which creates dark or light corners around the entire image. Here, we are focusing specifically on softening the edges of a selected subject. Start by opening your project in Photopea and selecting the image you want to work with. For example, if you want to feather around a person's face, you first need to select that area. Go to the left-hand toolbar and locate the selection tools. Right-click on the selection tool icon to reveal options such as Rectangle Select and Ellipse Select. Choose the one that best matches the shape of your subject. If your subject is more circular, the Ellipse Select tool will work best. After selecting your desired selection tool, look at the top toolbar where you will find the feather option. Click on the arrow next to it and set a feather value. The higher the value, the softer and more blended the edges will appear. For example, you might set it to around 80 for a noticeable soft edge effect. Once the feather value is set, hold the Shift key on your keyboard to maintain proper proportions if needed, then click and drag over the area you want to select. You can reposition the selection before finalizing it to ensure it is perfectly placed. Once your selection is ready, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard. This will duplicate the selected area onto a new layer. You will now see this new layer in the Layers panel. To isolate the feathered subject, select the original background layer and remove it if necessary. Now you are left with the selected subject with soft, feathered edges. If you want to add a background image behind it, go to File in the top left corner and choose Open and Place to import a new background, then drag that layer below your feathered subject layer. Alternatively, you can add a solid color background by clicking the New Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and selecting a color fill option. Choose your preferred color and move that layer beneath your feathered image. Finally, you can use the Crop tool by pressing C on your keyboard, adjust the framing, press Enter to confirm, and complete your composition, and this is how you can feather edges in Photopea.